to my channel. So today, as you can already tell by the title, I'm showing you guys how I did those braids in my previous video. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I actually didn't plan on filming this video because I actually did a braid tutorial a while ago, but this method is a little different and I was specifically asked by one of my subscribers to do this, so I got you. But before I get into it, there are just a few disclaimers. A lot of the styles that I do, I'm reusing the hair from previous styles, so the texture that my hair comes out may be a little bit different than how it may come out for you. So this hair is from a previous style, and what I do is I just take them out and then just hang them up in my closet and then when I'm ready to wear them, I'll just like wash them, soak them, let them dry, and then the next day I'll do my style. So yeah, I know a lot of people, whenever they take out their hair, like want to cut it to make it make the time go faster when taking out your hair, but I feel like especially now when you don't have access to hair stores, you should be like saving your hair. So I feel like you should take the time to like take out your hair fully, and then you can save it so then you can reuse your hair like I do. So yeah, anyway, I've had this hair in for like a couple weeks, 2 weeks. I'm ready to take it out now. And so after like the last couple days, I was not taking care of it at all, so my hair was like really frizzy and stuff. But I'm still gonna try to show you everything that I did. I'm gonna take out this braid and I'll just show you what I do. Okay, so I just took out one of my braids and I just kind of combed out a little bit so it's not tangled or anything. So first things first, what I do is I moisturize, of course, shea butter. Take a little bit, moisturize, pay attention to your ends. Get a little bit more. Okay, then seal it in with your oil. I'm using my whatever. I'm using my castor oil just for a little bit. Like that. And then I'm taking my Eco Styler gel and I'm just going to be gelling like the roots of my hair so it's nice and smooth. And then if you want, you can actually gel all your hair so that it doesn't get all frizzy and stuff in your braid and it just looks smooth. But I don't do that. I don't know why, but I just don't. Okay, so you got it all gelled down. And then if you want, you can go back through with your comb and kind of like comb it to smooth that out even more, but I just leave mine like that. So next, what I do, I take my tiny little rubber bands, and a lot of people are not feeling rubber bands in their hair because of this breakage and all that other stuff. But what I do, take my rubber band, I put it in my hand, then I take my oil and I kind of just coat it in the oil so it's like so that it has some slippage and oil and it's not just rough on your hair, you know. So the only reason I'm really doing rubber bands is because the sections I'm doing are really big, and later on in the video I'll tell you about the sectioning. But yeah, you take your thing and then you tie your hair also so you don't have a lot of breakage or anything. Like your edges, your hair is like weaker. Well, I think it's like weaker, so leave out a good amount of your edges. Don't try to put every little bit of hair you have into this. That's why you see all these edges I have out. Protect your edges. Anyway, tie it around times, like so, and then you can like split it in half and kind of pull your hair through a little bit more, not too much though. Okay, so then we have that. And then remember before how I say my hair, the texture of the hair I'm using is probably going to be different than yours because this hair is from when I did twist. So this is what my hair looks like, but I'll link the hair below because your braids are still, they should still come out the same as mine. Mine are just clumped together. It's still the same hair, but this is the hair, and I just had 2 strands and I put them together. And I believe I feel like 5 packs should be good for this. 5 packs. And I'm saying this right now, I'm gonna put it in the description because there's a lot of people when I do my videos, they still ask me how much packs, what type of hair. I'm saying it in my video, and then I'm gonna put it in the link. It's the Expressions 82-inch hair. 5 packs should be good. Since no hair stores are open, I'll try to find a link for you guys if you want to get the hair. But anyway, so a good clump of hair. I'm gonna try to space it out so you guys can see, like, if you were to grab the hair yourself freshly, how big it would be. So like that much hair you would take out for each braid. And then I have my pointer finger in between these 2 on the other side, and then I just fold it over my rubber band like that, and then I just go straight into braiding. Before I flipped it, like I wrapped it around the base, but I don't need to do that. So from here I just start braiding, and then once I get with my hair in the middle again, I'll just take a little bit from each strand to put it in the middle, and then just continue braiding. And the way I'm braiding is under, not over. And then this is when, if you wanted to, you could start adding in the gel on your own hair so that it's smooth. And for my braiding, I braid tight and close together. Like, these aren't loose braids. You want them to be really uniformed, and I really don't know what I'm trying to say, but you want it to be neat. You don't want some places to be loose, other places to be tight. So just stay consistent with how you're braiding. I did try to part it. You guys know I'm not really neat with the parting of my hair because I really don't care about that. But for this, because my sections were big, this hair's so old, but my sections were big, so I tried to part them in big square sections. So I'm gonna count for you how many braids I have exactly. I have 24 braids. So what you can do when you start braiding is you can, with your hair, you can section your hair before you even do it. So if you want your hair to be exactly like mine, I have 24 braids, so you can part 24 different strands of your hair before you even get started. And then if you see that you don't have enough hair for your 24, then you can get another pack, or if you have enough, or if your hair is thicker or thinner than mine. It's all very subjective, so I'm just trying to give you like the best that I can think of. 5 packs I feel like should be good. If not, you can always order more, or or if you have hair left over. My styles are the perfect styles for when you have leftover hair, okay, I can tell you how many. So I do a part down the middle, 1 2 3. Okay, so my part down the middle is 3 sections. My hair's really frizzy now, so you guys can't really see anything, but the way I section my hair, my first section is usually always 3, and then when you're parting it, you want your hair to, let me see if I turn around, if my hair isn't too frizzy, if you can see the pattern that I did. Also, don't mind my peas. If I have peas in the back of my head, I'm literally taking my hair out as soon as I finish this video. Okay, have my 3 parts right here, and then this is my second row. And then if you can kind of see how it just lays in between the braids. That's basically what I was trying to say. But you know, so that's how I do these braids. Thank you guys for watching. Continue to comment, like, and subscribe. Give me more suggestions for videos. I actually have a few in the tuck that I've just been trying to space out when I post them. But yeah, thank you guys for sticking out throughout this whole video. I actually feel like it's really important that you did stay to this point, because a lot of information was spewed out at random times, you know, a lot of important information. So thank you for watching.